the depths I cry to you, oh Lord, hear my voice, oh Lord, hear my voice. Let your ears be attentive to my cry for mercy. If you, oh Lord, kept a record of sins, oh Lord, who can stand up with you? There is forgiveness. I wait for the Lord, my soul waits, and in his words I put my hope. My soul waits for the Lord. More than watchman, wait for the morning. More than watchman, wait for the morning. Always for help, put your hope in the Lord. For with the Lord is unfailing love, and with him is full of redemption. He himself will redeem Israel from all of their sins.
Don't go away, don't you walk away, no, just turn around and stay.